Okay, we did some research.
Yep.
And we figured out that the sacred tree is a ritual of exploding whenever someone destroys the blocks.
Yeah. We have done some research on how the tree exploded. And little bro will tell you how to make it.
So first we'll get our shovel out and we destroy...
In the middle, then two on the side.
First we have to grow the tree.
Yeah.
Now stand at a good position.
Hey.
That's good position.
Now,
So now...
take two out near the tree. On the sides of the tree, take two out. We might die in this must play thingy. Don't know what my little bro's gonna call it. I'm just here to help. You do realize you have a diamond shovel with you, right? It goes to... Take the dirt out from under the tree as well. Don't forget that.
So basically you just dig two.
Yeah.
Like you just dig two out, then you just dig out the sides and...
Basically, yes. But don't do it with a diamond shovel. So what happened in our last video, Colton died by an explosion.
And now
basically.
we have to place a lever there and redstone directly under it.
Activate it.
We activate the lever, then we just...
Add any block you want. You're choosing white wool. Put torches.
No, it has to be wool. But we're using white wool because it's a plain wool. Then we just place torches on every side of the block. Now comes the TNT.
Whatever you do, don't place it right in the middle.
And whatever you do not place it right here.
Just don't. It'll activate, your whole thing will blow up.
Yep. And if you're doing this on survival mode, definitely do not do that.
Don't do it. We're doing period. Everything is correct, but don't do it on survival. Just don't.
Now we just have to fill all of this in.
Careful, don't hit the lever.
Yep.
That's the most important thing.
And if you place a block in the wrong place and you destroy it with a diamond, if you place a block near the lever and the lever activates instead of you place the block, you're a goner.
Yeah.
So
to make it, you need 1 piece of redstone, 4 redstone torches, 12 pieces of TNT, a block of your choosing, and a tree.
No, a piece of wool of your choosing.
Yeah.
And you need 12 TNT.
Yeah. Let's lay.
And you need
do
1
it.
piece of redstone, 4 torches, 12 pieces of TNT, a diamond shovel, and a diamond axe if you're on survival mode. Or you can use something else. And you need saplings and bone meal just to grow the tree faster. So then what we figured out what happened was we went like this and then we destroyed that block and it blew us up.
Because when that block activates, the lever's out, which activates
and the lever is activated, which deactivates all the redstone torches. So when the lever gets knocked out, it will deactivate the redstone. Then the redstone torches will be activated. So, oh, there's a piece of wood. Now, Snow, I'm just gonna run back after this.
Run!
Can't miss the explosion. Did you see how far that TNT went? That's what it made.
That's the damage.
Sort of like that one. Kind of exactly like it.
And I think we are going to show you something else. Right?
Yep.
About the creeper face.
Oh.
So this is my idea. To make the creeper head, you just get any block that you want. 3 buckets of lava. And then if you may fly up, you can see how I did it. You place the lava right on top. And to do this, you make the thingy. You place the lava. Actually, he'll show you how to make it. Just make
We'll
that
show you
outside.
in the next video.
Yeah.
So thank you all for watching this. It's more of a let's build video.
Yeah.
So thank you all for watching, and I will see you later. You will see me later.
Bye.